Hey, it's me, Geomedic. Guess where I'm at? I'm here at Rocky Top Mountain Coaster in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Y'all stay with me.
Check it out. Rocky Top Mountain Coaster down the street from Dollywood.
Hey, it's me again, Geomedic. About to get on the ride here. Y'all stay with me.
Turn that hat around so you don't lose it.
Yeah.
Can I get a thumbs up? Just remember, you ain't gotta do anything. You ain't gotta do anything.
Hi, Geomedic here at the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Take it off. Let's check it out. Y'all follow me.
All right. Whoa. Right there. Going to the top.
It's about 55 degrees out here. And they got
Nice lights on it. Check it out. Longest coast switch East Coast Sea. Wow.
it's awesome.
Going to the top. Shooting down there in the truck.
Veteran discount, $9. $9 to ride this. That's pretty cool. Other places are a little bit more expensive. I know Ghost and Roof was like $15. Let's check it out. All right, here we go.
Don't have to do anything to the top. So we're getting to the top.
It is November, I don't know what it is, November 15th and November 15th, 2023.
Going to the little cable. Pretty high here. This is the longest, so check it out. Oh, there's tracks over there.
For a wind-blown look, push those wheels forward now.
All right.
Push your handles forward, the bears are coming.
Bears are coming. What? Woo, yeah. All right. It was pretty windy.
Yeah! Oh, there's a cave here. There's a cave back there.
Bears are coming. We'll make up. We got some junk store. Within this valley, dwell and sin. Your head grows bald, and not your chin. Use burner shade. Alright, you can see that. There are signs out here. Burner shade sign. And you got some monster here.
top. Push your handles forward and we'll see you at the bottom.
All right, thank you. Woo, look at that monster.
Okay, you made it to the top.
Yeah. All right. That moon out there. Whoa. Couldn't see my picture there.
Attention all riders. For your safety, please do not stop on the ride to wait for family members or friends. Attention all riders. For your safety, please do not stop on the ride to wait for family members or friends.
Danger blasting area. Another hill. Water feature there. It's kind of ghost right there. See that? Ooh, it's scary. We'll make up. We got European bears right there. See that? See. European. Got it. It's not bad.
$5. Got it.
Another tunnel. Woo! Flashlights are real. That bear. They're flying.
This is pretty long. It's longer than the goes on the roof. I feel like it's a little longer than Skyline. Skyline's got mostly downhill.
Yeah, this one's keep going up and up and up. Nice barn. Nice decoration. Lying by the light here. Again, best time to ride or mountain coasters at night. This has got a lot of light.
Go, go, go. Push your hands forward.
Carolina. Alright, here we go. All the way down. Go, go, go. Alright. Ooh, yeah. There's that tunnel there. Alright. Rocky Top, he always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top. There we go. Alright. Woo! It says slow. On the brakes. Another hill. Climb, climb, climb. You kind of see that.
You can see me. Pretty dark.
But again, this is a Rocky Top mountain coaster here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And they got a lot of bird sheds on there. You soon see me on a shelf in some museum furniture. Okay. Nice little barn down there. That's the top.
Push your handles forward, the bears are coming.
Smile at the holes at the door. All right.
Push your handles forward, the bears are coming.
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Woo! There's Kendra and Poppy and Molly over in the truck there.
Right there, don't go and hop off on your way. Don't get to hop off on your leg. Keep on coming just a little bit more, boss. And you're going to hop off on your leg.
This Geomad Cat, I made it. Now it's a Rocky Top mountain coaster. Awesome. Let's look through the.
Nope.
No. I'm looking at your phone.
I'm taking a video.
A nice little gift shop here.
Yeah, I'll need my picture. But again, that was fun.
$9.
All right, I'm heading out. Again, that was a Rocky Top mountain coaster here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. 65 degrees. Feels a little colder than that. All right, thanks for watching. Geomad Cat, I'm out here.